Solar eclipse, a natural celestial occurrence or a superstition? Why are we even more bothered about them? Before that, let's get to know what a solar eclipse is. A solar eclipse occurs when Earth and Sun are aligned in a straight line with the presence of Moon in between. The distance between Earth and the Moon describes the type of solar eclipse. It may be a partial solar eclipse. It may be a total solar eclipse. Or it may be an annual solar eclipse. Superstitions on solar eclipse. Radiation from the sun on a solar eclipse day is harmful. There is a speculation that radiation from the sun on a solar eclipse day is harmful and people should not walk or take in the radiation going outside. To clarify this, sun is the same as it was before the day of solar eclipse. There is no any additional energy phenomenon happening on it, making it dangerous to emit harmful radiations. In fact, the radiations are less when it is blocked by the moon. So when someone says you should not go out during solar eclipse or you should not take in the radiations of solar eclipse, tell them it's a hoax. You should not eat during solar eclipse time. This is an important and most widespread myth prevailing in India. There are lots of scriptures and ancient literatures beautifully portraying the eclipses, but none of them tells that it is bad to eat during solar eclipse or it is harmful to eat during solar eclipse time. Even scientifically, till date, there is no proof that eating during solar eclipse time is harmful to us. So we don't know from where it originated that the myth of eating during solar eclipse is harmful. So let us take this as a superstition and ignorance. And one more thing, if someone says that during solar eclipse that gravity changes, just tell them that gravity is based on position and mass, which will remain same on an eclipse day also. Seeing a solar eclipse makes you blind. This may be partially true. Whether it is a solar eclipse or a non-eclipse day, seeing a sun directly for a long time may cause damage to the retina, causing permanent damage to eye tissues. But remember, this is not particular for eclipse day.